This is the presentation video for Phase 4 from Group NeuroSync. In this presentation, we will provide a brief introduction for our project and also overall UI flows of our prototype. And it will also include the video demonstration of our prototype. Finally, it will include the reflection and conclusion we get from this project.
Okay, so first let's introduce you to our project. Our project is called UMind, and it is a system designed to help people, especially students, to improve their mental health well-being. Many students are in a lot of stress due to academic pressure and other personal circumstances maybe. Now, Human is here to help students to be able to deal with those issues better through its learning modules and self-assessment features. Human also allows students to be able to contact mental health professionals in order to monitor their mental health better. Human's development is based on the requirements we elicited from our stakeholders, and those stakeholders are mental health professionals known for their efforts to increase Malaysians' mental health literacy, such as Dr. Wan Azam, Dr. Ana Hazika, Miss Hazira binti Hashim, and Dr. Suhaila as well. The scope of this system is in a university level, and our focus is to literate the average university students in Malaysia about their mental health well-being and to prevent them to get inflicted by any sort of mental health issues that might hinder them in doing their studies in their university life.
The prototype will start from the login page. From the login page, user can select role and it will redirect to different dashboard based on the selected role. And for different role, it can access different function in the system. Like this for student dashboard. And for counselor dashboard, it can access these two functions. For the profile page, student can also access. And for admin, it can access this managed education content. For customer service, it can access managed feedback. This is the use case diagram for UMind Portal, featuring 12 use cases and divided into five modules. And the system is interact with four actors: student, system admin, mental health professional, and customer service. My name is Benjamin. I'm assigned to use case 004, 005, 006. And here's the use case specification table for these three use cases. The detailed description of the specification can find in our phase 3 report. This is the related activity diagram for the assigned use cases for me. My name is Benjamin Chiu. Now I'm going to demo our prototype for my portal. When we open the website, first we will be encountered by the login page. Here, we need to choose our role in the system. There are four options. Now I'm going to first demonstrate the student. And this login page also have uh, have handles some alternative flow, like if user leave empty the field, it will highlight and choose and show the error message. And also if user enter wrong username or password, it will also display the error message. For demo purpose, we have preset the username to user and password to be password without capital letter. And now we successfully log into the system. It will redirect us to the dashboard, which serves as the main navigation point. And here we can access different function uh, which provided to student. Now I'm going to demonstrate how a student book a consulting appointment. We click the button here, and here we can choose a mental health professional, and here we choose our preferred date, and we can select available time slot here. The system will display available time slot here in the real system. After select, we proceed to confirmation. Here are the summary of our appointment, and you can confirm booking here. After confirm, you will send email to the student, and also you will send email to the assigned consultant. After that, we can try the function manage appointment. Here is some predefined existing appointment for demo purpose. We can view the detail of the appointment, and also we have option to reschedule it to different time slot, different date. As you can see, it update here the new time. Also, we can cancel the appointment here. The system will prompt the reason for cancellation, but it is optional to type. So we cancel the appointment, it will disappear from our list. Also, we can add notes for appointment to maybe notice something to the counselor. We save here. And that's it for function managing appointment. Now I'm also going to demonstrate user how to manage their user profile. We click on the upper right here, the profile photo here, and we can go to my profile. Here we can edit our personal information. For example, our name, our phone number, our address. Here we can save change. You will save change and display here.
So hello, I'm Sumaida Alum. Let's see some functionalities of our project. So here, let's first log in as a student. Okay, now I will see mental health resources. We can find articles, videos and infographics and quiz. Okay, so we also can apply some filters for to search for specific things also by using keywords. So here are all categories. So I choose anxiety, apply filter. So there is the article for the anxiety, and then I choose stress management, and I also apply the filter, and I can see the articles. Okay, so now let's see the take self-assessment. In this assessment we can access ourselves by giving quizzes. Let's select some options from the questions. So I choose some random choose some random options and submit the assessment, and it will show the result according to the data that we selected. Now I return to the dashboard. Okay, so now let's see the admin view. Okay, we can see the manage educational content here, And inside this we can see the content list, and we can edit, delete and edit contents. There are category option while uploading contents, and also can describe them. Lastly, we can give the URL, link of the content we want to add. Now let's add an article. And we can see the content has been successfully added. Okay, that's all.
As you see, doctor, we can make a feedback. So firstly, we will rate this the overall. Then we can put a comment or suggestions like then we can submit our feedback, and it will be submitted, and it submit successfully. Thank you, doctor. So doctor, as a customer service, we can manage user feedback. So we have we have many feedbacks. This one is already resolved. So he commented, we answer it, and this one is already reviewed only. So we hope in the future it's resolved for him. And those are new. This is the one that I already sent as an experiment. Respond to him, and also told him and we can then make it as done or resolved. Thank you, doctor.
This meeting is being recorded.
So I'm going to be demonstrating two features. The first one is the view peer forum. Over here, we can see the forums that have been created by other users. We have three examples here, like this one. We can submit a comment. Say T, for example. And then we can go back to the forum list, and we can also create forums. For example, this recently in having blah 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 blah, and can be submitted for review first. And that's for the forum creation and forum commenting. Next one is the chat with virtual assistant. This is part of the assisting module. So first we need to make sure that the assistant knows what topics are we going to be asking about. For example, stress management. It's going to be generating a really broad topic about stress management or anxiety symptoms. We can also ask our own topics. And if we need immediate support, the chatbot will recognize it, and it will directly tell us to go contact an actual professional in this matter. So if you want to connect to a customer service or mental health professional, we can do so with this link. And that's it for my demonstration part.
We had learned a lot about the requirement elicitation until documenting process from these courses, requirement engineering and software modeling. There were a lot of things about analyzing user needs and creating suitable requirements that we did not consider beforehand. The documentation part was especially challenging as there are a lot of things that was needed to be defined in order to be able to give a clear image of how the system is going to work with the gathered requirement in the first phases of the project. This project has been useful in improving our understanding of one of, if not the most crucial part of software development, requirement engineering. Without proper elicited requirements and without a solid document with enough visualization of what a system needs to fulfill, a high quality application are not going to be able to be developed.